Double-hung windows are a popular choice in Rockford homes thanks to their classic appearance, easy operation, and versatile ventilation. However, even the highest quality double-hung windows won't perform as expected if they're not installed correctly. Professional installation plays a critical role in how long these windows last and how well they perform over time. For Rockford homeowners, investing in expert installation helps ensure double-hung windows deliver comfort, durability, and long-term value. Why installation quality matters. Many window problems begin at installation. Windows that are not properly aligned, sealed, or supported can develop issues such as drafts, water leaks, and operational difficulties. In Rockford, where seasonal weather changes bring temperature swings, wind, and precipitation, proper installation ensures double-hung windows are prepared to handle local conditions without premature wear. Ensuring a proper fit from the start. Double-hung windows rely on precise alignment to function smoothly. If the window frame is not square or level, the sashes may stick, tilt incorrectly, or fail to lock properly. Professional installers take accurate measurements and prepare the opening to ensure the window fits perfectly. For Rockford homeowners, this precision helps prevent strain on window components and extends the window's lifespan. Preventing drafts and moisture damage. Air and water infiltration are two of the biggest threats to window longevity. Gaps around the frame allow cold air, moisture, and debris to enter the home. Professional installation includes proper sealing, insulation, and flashing to protect against these issues. In Rockford homes, this layered protection helps prevent mold, rot, and frame deterioration over time. Supporting smooth operation over time. Double-hung windows are designed to open and close easily. Improper installation can cause friction or uneven movement, leading to worn balances and hardware. Professional installers ensure sashes move freely and locks engage correctly. For Rockford homeowners, this means fewer mechanical issues and longer-lasting performance. Protecting the surrounding structure. Installation isn't just about the window, it's also about the surrounding wall. Poor installation can damage siding, framing, or interior finishes. In Rockford homes, professional installers carefully integrate the window with the existing structure, protecting both the window and the home itself. Enhancing energy efficiency and comfort. Windows that are properly installed seal tightly against the frame, reducing energy loss. For Rockford homeowners, professional installation helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduces the strain on heating and cooling systems, contributing to overall comfort and efficiency. Reducing long-term maintenance needs. Windows that are installed correctly require fewer adjustments and repairs over time. In Rockford, professional installation minimizes common issues like sticking sashes, loose frames, and seal failures, saving homeowners time and money. Addressing local climate challenges. Rockford's climate includes cold winters, warm summers, and varying humidity levels. Professional installers understand how to account for these factors during installation. This local expertise ensures double-hung windows are equipped to handle seasonal changes without compromising performance. Maximizing warranty protection. Many window warranties require professional installation to remain valid. For Rockford homeowners, choosing professional installation helps protect warranty coverage and ensures long-term peace of mind. A smart investment for Rockford homes. Professional installation is essential for maximizing the life of double-hung windows. By ensuring proper fit, sealing, alignment, and protection against the elements, expert installation helps windows perform reliably for years to come. For Rockford homeowners, professional installation isn't just an added expense, it's an investment in lasting comfort, durability, and value.